Did you know that divorce attorneys can offer practical relationship advice from having been in the trenches of divorce? I'm Gerald Maggio, Southern California divorce and family law attorney, and in this video I'm going to offer you some practical advice from having practiced family law and divorce for well over 20 years and giving you what I pulled out of my experience having been a divorce and family law attorney as to advice that you can use to help improve your marriage, your relationship, and hopefully avoid divorce. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 key pieces of advice to help improve your marriage and your relationship with your spouse. And in the next video, we're going to offer you 5 more. So number 1, communication is key. In all marriages, all relationships, the key to a successful relationship is open communication and ongoing communication. It's very important to keep your marriage going by having direct communications, being honest up front with each other, because that will only help your marriage be successful, because it will prevent feelings of loneliness, somebody feeling resentful, and will help improve your marriage. Number 2, resolve conflicts constructively. If you and your spouse have situations where you have arguments, you have disagreements, it's okay to have a disagreement, it's okay to have an argument. As long as you're resolving them constructively, not being vindictive, petty in your words, and so on, that will help your marriage and your relationship. Number 3, prioritizing quality time together. It's not unusual in marriages for people to get busy, you've got kids, you get busy with work, and you lose sight of each other, and as time goes on, you start drifting apart. You have to plan to have quality time together in order to rekindle your marriage and rekindle your feelings for each other and keep your marriage going, keep your relationship fresh, keep it exciting and fun. Number 4, maintain individuality. And what do I mean by that? That means, although you want to do things together, you also want to have an outlet for doing things on your own, having your own interests. It's okay to have that, and in fact, it's a good idea because it will make you feel fulfilled as a person. You'll have something to talk about with your spouse, and obviously you're still going to do stuff together. So it's a combination of these things, and generally being able to maintain some independence is good. You don't have to do every single thing together in order to have a strong marriage. And number 5, financial transparency. This goes down to an issue of honesty. It's being transparent with your assets, your incomes. It's sharing if you're spending money on credit cards, what that is. It's basically being an open book in terms of what you're doing and what money you're spending, and your spouse doing the same here. You have to be on the same page, you have to work together, because when somebody's doing things that the other party doesn't know about, it will lead to financial strain, it will lead to situations where the other spouse is going to be resentful, hurtful, and be particularly not happy about the situation. So financial transparency is always a good thing in any relationship. Remember, every relationship is different, so what may work for one relationship may not work for another. You have to figure out what works well for you and your partner to work towards an ongoing and happy relationship and marriage. Hopefully my advice here today is helpful for you and your relationship, and will hopefully help improve your marriage and avoid divorce. Yes, I'm a divorce and family law attorney, but that doesn't mean we encourage that at all. It's always better to work out your problems and have a happy marriage than to have to go through a divorce. Divorce is never easy, it's never fun, and it's not something you want to go through unless it's the last resort. If you end up having to go through a divorce, or you know somebody who is, feel free to contact us for a consultation where we can go through your situation and give you advice on next steps. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful information about divorce and family law issues, and sometimes for personal relationship advice. See you next time.